Yes. Hey, bitch mob shit. Hop out, holy thug, cold bitch, diamond stud, start the flood, I'm melting shit. Holy diamonds cover me, Bible verse is what I speak. D6 cutthroat, running through the mist, bitch I feel like Dark Souls. Blood crystals, what I buy, angels in the sky. I hate these niggas, I hate these niggas, I despise. We grab the money, then we fly, can't let these niggas change my mind. I don't got no fucking time, these niggas wait and stand in line. I'm quick to kill a bitch's pride. I hop out, holy shit, bitches staring at my wrist. Evil bitches call my line, rest decline, no wine or dine. This and me get traumatized, we gon' rob your kitchen, take all the spice. Japanese bitch, eating rice, sell your soul for a price. Speed up, hop out, I'm a demon boy, I'ma show out. I'm a holy boy, let that bitch drown. Burn the church to the fucking ground. You a fucking clown, with a red nose, better move around. Pull up, we gon' blow you down. With a water hose and them bloodhounds. When we hop out, we don't make a sound. I'm a devil boy, straight out the ground. Pouring blood on her nightgown. Hop out, holy thug with the diamond studs. I'ma start a flood, now she dripping blood. I'm a holy thug, we gon' start the flood. We gon' start the flood, now she dripping blood. Ay, yeah.
Watch the foster bring the tears of thee. I'm in angry, I'm in misery. Avoid the flea, I give the amputee. In reality, these demons wanna beast. Look at my family tree, we from overseas. They anointed me just to spread disease. Die on LSD, they're heading to sea. Where's the dream? Look up, see supreme. This my legacy. Money in the air, hit the snare. The end is here. Watch the angels appear. Laser, we're in the altercation. They can't find the location. We was up levitated. Continuation, it's a fascination. How the six was made. Expiration, the expiration, all the making of you in a ditch. See me fly off, boy, I'm so tired. Vampires get fired, they're trapped in a fire. Grab a lighter, fly in denial. See the liar, where's his Bible? I'm the title, my revival. Die to idols, holy kid always gon' prevail, never fail. See how these niggas copy, standing in a lobby, killing zombies. If you want him, come and find me. Try to stop me, bodies piling. I was made to change the rain. Watch me maintain the flood. Watch me maintain the flood, bitch.
The stars in a line, the hardest of time. Decoding the scriptures, paint vivider pictures. Killing our teachers, the blood on the bleachers. The mind of a seeker, witness the storm. Out of the norm, the strongest of winds. The cross starts to bend, we're all out of time. Get on your knees, pray to the clouds. Cradle the Bible, killing your idols. Rip out your eyeballs, stuff you in drywall. I am a psycho, the mark of a beast. I'm seeking backwards, the demons rewind. Wrap you in plastic, I'm ready to vanish. The blood of the banished, the blood of the banished.
Wake up, wake up. Go and grab your crucifix. Wake up, wake up. Bodies hanging in the six. Wake up, wake up. Go to sleep, little bitch.
No one will pray, sin is the blame. We're trapped in our ways, the body shall lay. My mind in the way, breaking my chains. Witness the pain, we're all gonna blaze. Pinching your nerves, I am awake. I am awake. I am awake.
Wake up, ayy. Go and grab your crucifix. Wake up, ayy. Bodies hanging in the six. Wake up, ayy. Go to sleep, little bitch.
Hey.